Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be seeing a simple home style prawn fry. It's one of my favorite and also holds a lot of special memories as this recipe is from my mom. Now let's see how to make this tasty prawn fry. You can use either shrimp or prawns depending on what's available. I'm using a large variety of tail on raw shrimps. So we need to remove the shell on top, the legs as well as the tail. Gently pinch the legs and it should loosen up the top shell, which should slide off easily. And then we have the tail portion, which is usually retained for cooking, but if it bothers you, you can just pull it off. After removing the shell, we need to devein. There's one on top and there's another one on the bottom. The bottom vein is usually transparent because the blood vessel of the shrimp is clear. This is purely edible. If it bothers you, just remove it off. And now for the top part, just use a knife and make a slit on the back of the shrimp. You should be able to see a dark gritty vein, which is nothing but the digestive tract of the shrimp, which is very unpleasant to eat. So just pull it off and give it a quick rinse. After removing the shell and deveining all the shrimp, give it a nice wash in cold water. Washing them in warm water or hot water will partially cook and also will turn the shrimp very hard and rubbery. Now marinate it with little turmeric powder and set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. If you're going to keep it longer, just put them in the refrigerator. And now for the base, heat some oil in a wide stir-fry pan, preferably a stainless steel or an iron pan, which will give a nice crust for your dish. Temper it with some mustard seeds, followed by some fennel seeds, some cumin seeds, and finally few curry leaves. Once the spices infuses its flavor in the oil, add finely chopped onions. And also throw in a few green chilies if you prefer it extra spicy. Saute this over medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Adding a pinch of salt will also help them sweat and cook at a much faster rate. Once it turns nice and shiny and also transparent, bring in the ginger garlic paste. You can either add ginger garlic in paste form or you can add crushed ginger and garlic, which will give a rusty and crusty finish for your curry. Saute this for a few minutes and then add chopped tomatoes and cook it until it turns mushy. This may take a little long if you are using raw and firm tomatoes in an open pan. So the better way to cook them fast is to cover them with a lid and steam the tomatoes for a few minutes. That way they get mushy faster. Once it cooks, add turmeric powder, coriander powder, a spicy variety of red chili powder, some black pepper powder, and finally some salt that's required for the dish. Now stir fry all the masala powder with the tomato onion base until it turns into a semi-thick masala. This might probably take another 5 to 6 minutes. If you prefer a semi-thick chunky version of this prawn fry, you may add the prawns at this stage, or if you prefer a sukka, that is nothing but a dry version of this fry, you need to continue to stir fry over medium flame for another 6 to 7 minutes. As you keep frying, you will see at one point the masala will get very thick, and that's the stage you add your prawns or shrimp. Now bring in the marinated prawns and add this to the masala base along with few curry leaves and stir fry over medium-high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Any variety of shrimp or prawn will take only few minutes to cook, so do not keep them too long on the hot pan, and also adding few drops of oil while sauteing will sear the masala base. Once it cooks, garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves, Saute it for just few seconds over high flame and then switch off. And that's it. Our tasty, yummy prawn fry is ready to be served. This goes well as a side dish with any kind of rice dish like sambar or rasam or curd rice. You may also serve it as a starter or also as a dry side for any pulao or biryani. Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.